Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is a haul video. I just ran to Walmart really fast and picked up a few things. Just was going to share them with you. I have a couple clothing items for me, one for my daughter. I have a pair of slippers, makeup. I think that's it. But if you're new to my channel, my name is Ashley. I would love for you to stick around and watch my videos and maybe subscribe if you like. I do post videos on beauty, makeup, skincare related, maybe fashion. I've done a couple with like clothing hauls and stuff like that. So would love to have you stick around. I also love to talk to you guys in the comments, so please leave a comment letting me know if you own any of these things or what. But let's just get started. So it's just one bag, not too many things. The first thing I got, and I will try to share prices. Totally just dropped everything. I'm gonna try and share prices. I'm not gonna try, I'm going to share prices as we go. So the first thing I got was these pair of slippers. I'm not really a big slipper person, but I want to be, I guess. I don't know, but I like how these have kind of a harder, not totally like shoe sole material, but hard enough that I just don't like soft, I guess, slippers. And so I've really never gotten a pair of these. What made me buy these is it said it had, what did it say? So it said it had this gel infused memory foam, and that intrigued me. So I wanted to try these out. I just got them in the size 7-8. They were only 12 bucks or $11.88. They are only $11.88, so not too expensive, definitely affordable, and they are very soft feeling. I can't wait to try them on to see what I think, but got those for myself. The next thing that I picked up is one of these sweatshirts. This has been going around on Walmart hauls the last few weeks. The reason I got one is they compare them to the Aerie or American Eagle Aerie brand oversized plush sweatshirt, which I do own a couple of those. I absolutely love them. They are so soft, but I feel like I'm gonna wear right through them because it is such a soft material, but I love them. I wanna buy more, and it's terrible because they're like 30, I think they're like 31, 32 bucks right now, but they are on sale. But I've never seen them full price, so I don't know if that's just kind of a gimmick they do, but they're like 31, 32 bucks. They only have like 4 colors, so not too many variations. They're all kind of neutral colors. Anyways, they were saying how this reminds them of that. Now, having owned the American Eagle one, it definitely does not feel like the American Eagle sweatshirt. It is cut like it. So it has, you know, the banding, I don't know what this is called, around the sleeves, and then it does have the split there, which is just like the American Eagle one. The difference is this is not nearly as soft, like not even comparable. So I don't know. I like the color. They don't have this color in the American Eagle brand, which is why I chose this one. It's kind of a beige, not beige, cream, I guess would be kind of a better word, sweatshirt. I did get it in the extra large size. So it says extra large 16 and 18. I like these to definitely be oversized, and I'm hoping this will be. I'm kind of in between a large and extra large. Some large things fit perfect and some are too small, that is weird. As well as some, that toilet's pretty loud. A car drove by, totally distracted me. Extra large. Some extra larges fit and some are too big. So I'm kind of like right in between. So I'm hoping this extra large will give me the oversized fit. If not, I might go back and get a size up just because I want it to be very loose. I don't want it to be touching me at all, and I do have wider hips. I don't want to say I'm an hourglass. I was more of an hourglass figure when I was younger. Now I'm just big all over. I I have definitely bigger hips though. So I find a lot of shirts like this will be very baggy up top, but like fit me at my hips. And I kind of want it to be the straight boxy fill. This is definitely for lounging, athletic, athleisure wear type stuff. So a long explanation for a cream sweatshirt. But I got this, and these are 10 bucks, right? Are they 10? 10.88. So it definitely doesn't break the bank. I could buy 3 of those for the price of one of the American Eagle ones. So there you go. All right. The next product I bought was this shirt in this mustard color. I got it in the size small. It was on clearance for $5. I had seen these. They are very, what would this material be? They're just very silky, not silky, slinky would be the word I would describe. So it's something that I definitely wouldn't wear. I feel like this would definitely cling to areas that I wouldn't like. So I did not actually get this for me. This is actually for my daughter. She looks good in these colors. She has the brown eyes, brown hair, darker skin. This color looks great on her. I'm hoping she will like it. She is very picky when it comes to clothes, but I got this for her. Like I said, it's on sale for $5. It's normally $8.44. They did have a ton of colors, but I found that half of the colors were not on sale and half were. Like the fall type colors were on sale, but like the black, white, purple, I don't know why purple, but were not on sale. So I don't know what that means, or if I just didn't see that they were, I don't know. Because I kind of wanted to get her a black one as well, but this was on sale and I thought, well, I'll just get her one and we'll see if she even likes the fit of it, because she, like I said, is very picky. But definitely a great deal. They did have a couple things on clearance already from their fall line, which is always great, so you should definitely go check that out. The last clothing item, I asked how much it was. The last clothing item is just a pair of leggings for my other daughter, and I just got them. They're in the girls section. They're just the size large. They were like $3.98. There we go, $3.98, and just a pair of black leggings. We go through leggings. I do not spend a lot of money on my girls' leggings. I swear they get a hole in them every week. So I have now decided to buy cheap, because I'm not going to keep spending. Even $10 I think is too much, because when they're wearing through them, literally within a few wears, it drives me nuts. So my daughter, who now works, actually bought herself some more expensive black leggings on Amazon. I want to say they were like 60 or 70 bucks for a pack of 3. So not too bad, but a lot of money for her when she doesn't make that much, plus it makes like minimum wage. And she got a hole in 2 pairs, and she's like freaking out saying that I need to buy her some. And it's like, no, you now know what it feels like to spend your money. Like I spend my money buying you something and you ruin it. You know, anyways, she still thinks I'm gonna buy her some, and I'm not. Because I bought her 3 pairs when we started the school year, and it's only barely October. Anyways, so here are those. Long story again for such a simple item. All right, the last items are all beauty related. Is the Essie nail polish base coat, there we go. And it is just the here to stay one. I love this. I've used this for years. It definitely makes my nail polishes stick and stay longer. I definitely think the top coat matters more for that though, but this is a good base coat. I needed a new one. I was almost out. I've probably gone through, this is probably my 4th or 5th bottle of this, so I definitely am a long time user of this nail polish. The next thing that I got was just the Equate brand maximum strength cleansing pads. One of my daughters loves these to use to, I know these are not good for your skin. They probably have alcohol in them, but these really keep her from breaking out. So she can wash her face normally, use one of these every night. I don't know if she uses one after she washes or she just uses it in the morning when she wakes up. I'm not sure. I know she only uses one a day, and it definitely keeps her from breaking out. Her skin is quite young. This would not work for me. I would probably still break out. Don't you love that? But she loves these. She ran out, so I got her some more. We just like the Equate brand. I mean, why pay double plus the price to get the brand? the name brand, which where they're probably, which I have found, are packaged at the same plant, same product, just different labels. Just so you know, you might as well get the store brand on a lot of different things. The last 3 products are makeup, and they're things that I'm hoping to try out next week for my makeup basket that I'm starting to do now on Sundays. So I already have my makeup for this week, so I won't be adding these in until next Sunday. But I wanted to get a few new products to try out. I'm just kind of, I don't want to say bored, but I love trying new makeup. It's a bad habit. But I wanted to try some drugstore as well. So I got the Revlon Color Stay Cream Eyeshadow. This is in the color like taupe, espresso. I'm sorry, espresso. It looks to be kind of, let's focus. It looks to be matte. I'm excited to try this. I heard it's comparable to the Maybelline tattoo ones. Is Maybelline, right? I believe it's Maybelline, but I heard on Stephanie Marie's channel, she said these were better just in her recent video she did, so I thought I would try out this. It just sounded interesting. I love one and done type colors, so that's kind of why I chose this color. I figured not only could it be a one and done, but I could also use it as a crease shade and then put like a light white beige shade on my lid and be good to go too. So that's kind of why I picked this one. The last 2 products are from the Physicians Formula Organic Wear. I wanted to try one of the blushes, which is the Dewy Blush Elixir. I got the color Crushed Berries. I actually wanted to try the other berry color. What was it called? I can't remember what it was called, but it also had berries in the name, but they were sold out at my Walmart, so I couldn't try that. But I am super excited to try this. They had 2 kind of peachy colors, and then 2 they just said berry. I like more of a pink color blush, and I think the other berry one would have been more pinkish color, where this one might be a little bit darker than that one, but we'll see. I wanted to try one anyways, that's why I kind of chose this. My battery's dying, so I need to hurry up. The last thing I got was the Sculpting Bronzer in the color Toffee. Again, just wanted to try more of a cream bronzer. Maybe this will be as good as the Benefit one, but we'll see. So I'm gonna try this. That is everything in my Walmart haul. Let me know if you've gotten anything from Walmart or if you know of anything about these products. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.